class, today we are going to talk about finding the volume of a sphere. So we already know that volume is the way to measure the number of cubic units inside a three-dimensional figure. Today we're going to look at spheres specifically. So to find the volume of a sphere, we use the formula V is equal to 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. Okay, we already know that anytime we are using pi, we are saying it's approximately 3.14. So to find the volume of a sphere, we're going to use this formula. R, remember, represents the radius. Okay, so let's try an example. So let's find the volume of a sphere with a radius of 10 centimeters. Okay, we will use the formula V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. And we'll plug in what we know. 4/3 is a constant. We know that pi is equivalent to 3.14 approximately, and our radius in this case is 10, which we will cube. Now it's important to remember to follow the order of operations. So 10 cubed is 1,000. Using just the commutative property of multiplication here, 3.14 times 1,000 is 3,140. Remember, to multiply a fraction and a whole number, you put the whole number over 1, and we multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So we will get 12,560, all divided by 3. And since 3 does not go into 12,560 evenly, we'll make it a mixed number. And our volume is 4,186 and 2/3 centimeters cubed. We're talking about volume, so centimeters cubed. And there is our answer. So remember, use the formula 4/3 pi r cubed, plug in what we know, and simplify. All right, so let's look at another problem. Instead, let's find the volume of a sphere with a diameter of 10 inches. So remember, the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius, or it's double the size of the radius. So if the diameter is 10, the radius must equal 5 inches. Again, we will use the volume formula, 4/3 pi r cubed, and we're still using 3.14 to represent pi. Let's plug in what we know. 4/3 times 3.14 times, this time 5 cubed, is equal to our volume. Cubing 5, we get 125. When we multiply everything in the numerator, 4 times 3.14 times 125, we get 1,570 all over 3. And when we divide 3 into 1,570, again, it's not even. We'll make it a mixed number. We get 523 and 1/3 inches cubed. So to recap, the formula for the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. All right, now you're going to try some practice problems to practice finding the volume of the sphere. Good luck.